Model: 61-plate Volkswagen Transporter T5 T30 long wheelbase, 2.0 TDI MOT'D body, silver, panel van mileage, 144744 MOT, the 9th of March 2024 engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PS transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. ABS light on the dash. Rear ABS sensor needs replacing. Nice simple fix. Paintwork is not the greatest, but it's not as bad as the pictures as these were taken on a frosty morning. Condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £8,295. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call